Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will continue with the reticular activating system. In the last lecture, we talked about functions of the reticular formation and then functions of the reticular activating system. But the function of the reticular activating system can be understood by examples. So I will give examples of function of the reticular activating system regarding its role in selection of the sensory inputs. That is, reticular activating system acting as a brain filter. So what is perception and modulation of stimuli? What is perception and modulation of stimuli by RS, and modulation of stimuli by reticular activating system. Giving examples, few examples. How the sensations are perceived and how these are modulated by reticular activating system. Now we know the front view we will draw of brain and brainstem. Midbrain, front view, pons, and medulla oblongata, which is continued as spinal cord below. Now, in the central core of the brainstem, that is midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, is the reticular formation. And again, parallel to it is the reticular activating system. Both located in the brainstem. Reticular formation. And reticular activating system. located in the brainstem. Now, perception and modulation of stimuli by reticular activating system. Noise, bright light, touch, vibration, etc. can wake up you from sleep or draw your attention because your reticular formation is receiving these sensations of your surroundings and send them to your brain. In any given moment, approximately about 400 billion pieces of information and sensory inputs coming into your brain. Now, reticular activating system job is to make sure everything is not important at that moment and is not allowed by your reticular system, reticular activating system to get through and reach your cerebral cortex. Reticular activating system filter the sensory inputs and send only necessary or required impulses to reach the cerebrum. Reticular activating system allows you to focus on what you value. Now, all this can be explained by following examples. Number one, value of importance and interest. Value of importance and interest. You are reading your course book, which is important for you, or a novel of your interest. During reading with full concentration, all other sensory inputs of your surroundings are screened out by your reticular activating system. This is value of the importance and interest. Second, value of importance and concentration. Value of importance and concentration. While you are listening to a lecture of a teacher, and at the time of lecture you are taking notes, you give attention only to listening and writing during a lecture. But during this moment you are not paying any attention to the pen which is held in your hands while writing, because your reticular activating system is diverting your attention from pen so that you can focus only on the lecture and taking notes. Next is value of attention. Number 3, while walking a street, instead of giving attention to your feet or legs, your reticular activating system direct your attention to footpath to avoid fall in a manhole without covering or striking against an object. And at the same time, you draw your attention to the direction you are going to reach your destination. Now, attention is compulsory for learning process. As I told you during attending a lecture, you are attentive to the lecture, not to the pen held in your hand. You give full attention to the lecture. Attention is like a vehicle which transfers information from book or from instructor to store in the brain. So your brain will fail to receive the knowledge while reading a book or listening to a lecture in the absence of attention. The information given to you will not reach the short memory, and when it do not reach the short memory, it will not be transferred to the long memory. So attention is important in this regard. Next example, value of threat. It also gets through your reticular activating system. This is why a mother with her newborn baby can sleep through the noise of a truck passing by, the truck alarm going on, but the moment her baby cries, mother gets up. Another example, you got a baby and hear baby cough or cry at night. Your reticular activating system will awake you from sleep to attend the baby. This was the value of threat. Next, value of disturbance and threat. Value of disturbance and threat. If you have neighbor's dog that barks late hours at night, your neighbor can sleep through dog barking, because dog barking is not a threat for the owner of the dog, but dog barking is a threat for you and disturb you and awakes you. Next, value of noise and smoke. Value of noise and smoke. During sleep, smell of cooking food or smell of smoke is not perceived and you will not awake. But if there is input from ears in the form of a loud sound, you will awake. This is why in sleeping areas of a building, smoke detectors are installed. So when there is a smoke, the smoke detector detects the smoke and its alarm will awake you from sleep via reticular activating system. Now, value of merging. Good film or drama artists forget who they are during acting in a scene, but they indulge themselves through their reticular activating system in the character they are performing. During normal breathing, during a normal breathing process, you are not aware of phases of breathing through your reticular activating system. Now, value of your name. Value of your name. For example, you are at a party and there is a lot of noise and someone shouts your name and you hear your name through the background noise. You give attention to the caller because your reticular activating system tell you your name is important. Next, number 10. While driving a vehicle, when you are driving a car, you never drive in a straight line. During driving, your reticular activating system is in operation. You are continuously correcting yourself to turn to the right or to the left to reach your destination. So your reticular activating system is like a guided missile. Next, The risk of driving. Risk of driving a vehicle. During driving, when you are busy with your cell phone, your reticular activating system focus your attention entirely on mobile phone, and your attention is directed from surroundings while driving. It is hazardous to your and to others' life. So this is a drawback of reticular activating system during driving when you are using your mobile phone. So these were some examples which explain how the reticular activating system select the sensory inputs which are required at that moment of activity, and the rest of the sensory inputs which are not essential, not required, they are filtered. In this way, only selected information is diverted towards your cerebral cortex, and then you act accordingly to the sensory inputs which reach the cerebral cortex. In this way, the brain is also prevented from overloading. So these are few examples. Thank you very much.